Hey lovelies, welcome back. I'll be showing you how I make my coffee sugar scrub, and I love using scrubs on my skin because it always leaves my skin feeling rejuvenated, looking radiant, and really exfoliated and feeling really smooth. So I'll be showing you one of the scrubs I like to make myself and use on my body. So let's go. So basically what we're going to need today, we're going to need some sugar, preferably organic sugar, but I just bought some regular old sugar. You're going to need your coffee, of course, and this is just some random coffee that I bought in the shops. You're going to need some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil you like, but I like olive oil because of its properties, which I will list on the screen. And I have some coconut oil here as well. And to finish that off, I have some vanilla extract because I want it to smell really nice. So let's just jump into this tutorial. So first thing I want to do is add 4 tablespoons full of coffee. And then I'm going to add 8 tablespoons full of sugar. Okay, so now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons full of coconut oil, and you can use any coconut oil of your choice. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons full of olive oil as well, and you can use any olive oil of your choice. Then I'm going to add finally half a teaspoonful of natural vanilla extract. That's just to give it a little nice smell. We are going to mix this very well. Make sure everything is nicely mixed up. I'm using a fork. It smells really good. I think I'm going to put a little bit more oil. I think I'm going to put half a teaspoon. That's the coconut, and then I'm going to put some more olive oil. And mix this baby up. Very simple, guys. Very simple but effective, because all of these ingredients have very good properties. Your skin is going to thank you. So just mix that up, mix that up. So that's what the mixture looks like. And then we're going to scrape all of that into this container because you need it to be very tightly covered. So I'm just going to put it in this container And that's pretty much my DIY body scrub finished. Can't wait to use this. It smells really good. And that's it, guys. Very, very easy to do, and this is going to be so effective on your skin. So if you ever tried this DIY body scrub, do let me know in the comments section. I can't wait to jump in the shower and test this out. So this is basically what it looks like. So I'm going to just cover it like this and take it up to my bathroom. All done. Boom. If you want, you can make it a little bit more moist by adding some more oil. But at the moment, I like the consistency, so this is how I'm going to leave it. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this DIY video. Thumbs up if you'd like to see more of this. And leave a comment down below. Tell me if you have tried this before. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.